welcome back to our channel, David Love Janet, and also Kingdom Light Child Academy. Hi, my name is Janet.
Hallelujah! He who lives in me is greater than he who lives in the world.
Are you excited? I've already opened it, checked the contents before I let them open it. You have to always check things for your children before, even shows they watch on YouTube. I know sometimes we can just let them watch whatever, but it's really good for you to scan things so you know what they're getting. So it's a thank you card. Want to read it? Try and pronounce this. What does this say? Look, what does it say? Thank you.
Thank you.
So we have a couple books, a subscription box for diversity and identifying, eliminating racism, diversity. Anyone can get it. Any family can get it. You don't have to be a black family, a brown family, a white family. You could be anybody. Only you can be you, and that is your biggest power. By Kenya Obeng. So we have a 1, 2, 3 of the dinosaurs. So this can really be for both my toddlers. So here you go.
My papa.
Then we have Sleep Tight Teddy. Sleep Tight Teddy by Joe Byatt.
It's so pretty.
Come on, Teddy, time for bed.
My papa.
And obviously, it has a brown character. Basically, primarily focused on
Mommy,
diversity in the
my
black
papa.
community. Any family can get it. So then we have a couple posters. Let's see what the poster pack faces. This is a boy and a girl. We're gonna cut out, and it comes with make a face, blank face, cut out, and stick activity. So we're gonna cut this out, and then we're gonna stick them on the face. So we're gonna stick the eyes. What is this?
Reaching out to me, everybody say.
What is this? So this is Oju. Oju. Come on, Oju. What is this, Anna? Good job. So what is this? What is this?
His mouth.
And that's
Anu.
Imu.
And
Eyebrows. Those are eyebrows.
eyebrows.
Okay, let me cut this for you and then we'll do it, okay? Start cutting the body parts. I love that there's two, because I have 2 children, so just the glue. I need to get Velcro, so if I get Velcro, I can do this multiple times. I'm not good at the moment. Which one is eyes? Yeah, pick one. Pick the word that has eye on it. Which one is it? No, that's ear. Almost. Close. Good job. Good job. Baby. Even at 3. So, you can just put the eye here. Let's put glue.
Hallelujah! He who lives in me is greater than he who lives in the world. I live because you live in me. I breathe because I'm alive in you.
What does this say?
I'm no more slave to sin, cause Christ has rescued me. The life I live now completely belongs to only you. Was blind, now see. Oh, I am alive. I am alive in Him. He lives in me. Was blind, now see. Oh, I am alive. I am alive in Him. On Christ, the solid rock I stand. All on the ground is sinking sand. Your word that never fails is good enough for me. I'll wait upon your promises. I'll trust.